Wow, there's a lot of things that I really appreciate about this year's outreach events, but I think the one that most resonates with me is our last Medicare outreach event, which was in Berkeley at the Ed Roberts campus, and specifically that campus caters to individuals with disabilities. And we had so many unique individuals that had some sort of permanent disability that we were assisting. There was a lady who indicated, who was blind, who indicated that it was the first time in all of her years of receiving the flu vaccine that someone actually gave her material that was translated into Braille, which I thought was very nice of her to say, and an effort that we made to make sure all of our material was translated into Braille for all of the stations.
My fondest memory of the Medicare events was when I helped a beneficiary couple with their Medicare Part D plan, and at the end of the intervention, the wife, she reminded me so much of my mother, and when we were done, she came up and she hugged me and said that if your mother was here today, she'd be really proud of you.
We were assisting a beneficiary who was kind of afraid to speak up to her physician. So not only were we able to discuss some of her health problems with her, we were also able to sign her up for a cheaper plan for the 2014 year, so that she actually saved around $1,000 for the next year.
At the Ed Roberts campus in Berkeley, we were able to serve a lot of the underprivileged as well as disabled individuals. And to see them really embrace their abilities and challenge their limitations was incredibly inspiring.
It benefited me to be in the Medicare Part D program in that it encouraged me to look at situations from a patient's perspective and to try our best to always empathize with them.
So this Medicare Part D class is unique amongst the entire nation, and one thing that I really took from it is that not only am I learning this in the classroom, but I can apply all that I learned in the future.
I really liked how we were partnered with different people at every event, so it was nice to work with someone new every time.
This will be by far the most memorable experience that I will ever have